hold on. I need to put on my earbuds. Hi. Hello. Hello. I personally prefer single-player games or online games that do not require chatting, such as Splatoon. Ooh. Okay. I was curious, you know. But yeah, it is a little weird to see a 3D model today. Let's see. Something that I forget. Wait, no. Oh, I was just curious about something that's... Oh. I feel like oh, there it is. There we go. That's better! Oh my goodness, that is so much better. Okay. Alright. So, today is going to be some programming. I forgot to pull up the most important part. The Pomodroid. We need that Pomotroid? I think it's Pomotroid. I don't know if it's on Android, but I do know that there is a similar Pomotoro for Android that's also free and open source, but we're gonna use this. Hold on. I'm sorry. I need to hydrate already. Alright, so I do need to figure out how to get this thing to sleep. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. For one thing, how to, let's see. Of course, I could always do the, hold on. Can I? That's not it. It's this one? I forgot which one. Oh, that's, no. Fine, I'll go to settings. Hotkeys. Ah. Okay. There we go. Is there something like a sleep? Or pause? Maybe it's a pause. No. What is key pause? Pause key? Let me think. Oh, I have an idea. Hold on. What if there was a global timer? And that timer was like, I don't know, 5 seconds. And then And then get tree. Wait. Let's go to enemy script. Bubble. I think. Oh, currency. Okay. Timer. Right? That's how I do it, right? I forget. Let me check. Let me check. Did I do anything with global here? Or does it get node global? Dot timer dot start 5. I think. Wait. No. Dot start timer. We're gonna make a new function. Start timer. We'll make a new var. Pause equals false. Pause equals true. Then timer dot start 5. Pause equals false. And then if get node dot pause equals false, and then all this up. Camera camera camera. Hold on. Yeah, I am working on something I could do. But my camera doesn't want to work. I don't know what's going on with camera right now. I don't know anymore. Not that. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh well, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I think. There. Okay. So, what is going on here is I need to do it also with Faune. If get node is equals false. Accidentally had this pause. Oh no. Wait a minute, what am I doing? I have to do this. There. There. But yeah. I'm doing Godot stuff today. And then tomorrow is going to be fake. It'll be all fake. Fake games. Let's really nice that we're gonna something in Godot. Yeah! Yeah! Sorry about that. When I work on something in a different programming language, I end up, I don't know how else to describe it, filtering with the I end up filtering the concepts in the lens of Godot. I don't know why I do it, but I do it. Hello, Ami. Ami Ludo? Ami Aruto. Konbanwa? Is that right? Is it evening in Japan? I don't know if it's evening in Japan. So I'm making a game? Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm making a game. Hold on. I wonder if I could show you what I got so far. Is it gonna show? Oh, it shows! Look! What? What was that? What was that? I have no idea. Oh. Oh. Well, okay, it doesn't work with step. Ah, you're from Malaysia. Oh. Okay. So what's your time zone then? Is it the same as Japan? I can make it full screen. I can make it not full screen. It's so tiny here. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good now. We're good now. Alright, so let me look at title screen script again. Let's see. I should probably do a var press start equals false and press start equals false, and then do a press start. Hello there, General Kenobi. English language is not too good. Oh, it's okay. Okay. I think I'll just keep that for all y'all. I don't even say y'all. I don't like saying y'all. Alright. Doobie-doobie-doo. Hold on. Let me just do something real quick. There. Alright. Let's see. Must be hard coding this kind of thing. Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. I don't even say ain't. I don't say ain't all that often. You haven't seen anything yet. You should try assembly. Assembly is hard as all get out. It is so difficult to program in assembly. I've tried it. Very little in terms of what I did, but I've done it, and it's difficult. So tough. I don't like it. I don't like assembly. Alright, let's find an enemy. There we go. Okay. 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 So, let's see. I probably could put in sound, but I don't want to put in sound quite yet. I usually do sound off stream, and also and it's also like very last minute. Gonna publish this game and finish? I might publish this game if I finish it, but I gotta finish it first. It's an asset flip. I typically don't publish asset flips. Usually the visuals, I usually let the visuals be online, but reset the transform. Reload the scene. There we go. I mean, usually in my games that I publish, I usually want to actually have the visuals be mine, but I might publish Legend of Faune. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But I have ideas. I've got ideas if the chat doesn't mind. So I'm thinking that it could be, I don't know how else to describe it. I thought about this the other day. So I'm thinking that the game could be a almost Four Swords type of thing. That's what I'm thinking. So when you're playing, you could play, you have two different characters. That's what I might do, actually. Hold on. I want to fix this first. I want to fix this first. Else. Animate sprite 2D dots playing. No! Ing equals false. And then animation animate sprite 2D dot frame equals let's look at frames. I think 2. I think 2 would be nice. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You can't do coding. Like I said, you wouldn't want to see me program in assembly. Though I am thinking about eventually programming in C, but that would be for a different project. I'm thinking about it, but I gotta figure out C first. Ooh, new model! The art change you did before now. Oh yeah, so my character designer made me a 3D model quite a while ago, and I wanted to use it today. My camera isn't working, but I am seeing the chat. But yes, every once in a while I'll do 3D. Probably not for games, playing. I might use other things for game playing, but at least for this. At least for game dev and maybe even games that require mouse and keyboard I'll do. But you're gonna see me use the PNG model a bit, quite a lot, for some other stuff like controller stuff. Because there is no controller in Warudo. Sometimes I can't think. What am I trying to do? Alright, for gore. Puzzles? Do I need to make puzzles? How do you make your model not delay with your movements? It might be CPU, but it also might be what you're using to track. Because everything I'm doing with this is all mouse-based tracking. If you're going to use something to track, the best thing you can do is use anything with using USB connection, making it faster. Let's see. Let's try it now. Also coding, yeah, well, at least you're doing it. Not me, and presumably for something you enjoy. Want to use YouTube Studio? On your phone? Or on your... What? What in the world does my model do when I press start? Oh. Oh goodness! What's my PC specs? Like a dream. They run like a dream. You use the VTube Studio on PC? I don't want to talk about all the specs on my PC, but they're pretty beefy. Also, I feel like I need to have a pause button. Hello. Oh, he's seen some things. He's seen some things. Thank you, Artilio. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this bundle of joy. He's seen some things. He's seen some things. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You want to try again? Do you have more dragon scales? Alright. There's some sort of paused. Oh. Yes, there is. But depending on each node's node process mode. Okay, we're not gonna use this. I gotta go. Alright, Ami. I'm gonna call you Ami. Maybe I'll try again. Maybe let the next generation know peace, hopefully. Yeah! Oh. Alright, so while ad is going, I'm gonna do something real quick to fix my model. Gonna press BRB. Don't worry, I'll be right here. Gonna try turning it up and turning it back on or something. I don't know. Gonna turn off something and turn it back on. Cause maybe that'll work. I don't know. Oh, it's okay. Is the ad break over? Not quite. Well, that didn't work. Wait. It works! It works now! Hurrah! Hurrah! I don't know what I did, but I closed it and then unclosed it. So, oh, wait, no. Yeah, I know you're there. Get out of here. There we go. Thank you. Alright, let's put this back on. And then keep going. So we are going to have let's see. If gets wait no. I forgot about to do input. Okay, if input dot action released or action just pressed. I think it would be action just pressed. Which one is it? Which one would it be? Hold on. Oh, you're kidding me, camera. Oh well. Let me check the camera. Oh, what? Okay. Let's see. Pointing sensors. Blah blah blah. Where are input map? Duh. What would be a different... Let's see. What about the ones that I have here? It would probably be white, except not sure. Let me double check the title screen script. You want to accept? Okay, okay. All right. Yeah, I guess it would be white, except blah blah blah. Okay, Faune. All right. UI accept. Get node global dot pause equals not. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. Yeah! Thank you, StreamSpot. Hold on, I gotta drink. Water. Water's good for you! Let's try it. I will run current scene. We'll see what happens. What in the world? What? What is this nonsense? Yeah, it does. It does kind of creep me out too. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Ooh. Okay, so that's not quite it. Oh, there we go. Invalid. Assignment of property. What about this? Oh. No. I think there are some other people in chat. Don't worry about it. What if we went to cave? Nope. Okay then. That was an error. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Not again. Oh wait. I don't know what's going on with camera related stuff right now today. Lots of stuff relating to camera. I don't know. I don't know. What if I closed Media Pipe Tracker? Oh no, this is not the first time I've done game dev. Oh, okay. So if I close Media Pipe Tracker, then it goes back to normal. Okay, okay. No, I've done plenty of games though. Let me link my itch.io. we go. Thank you, Streamless Bot. More super cool. Yeah. Yeah, I end up doing a lot for me. It's just one of the ways I keep myself busy. Oh, pots. It's a horror game. If you do plan on making your own game in the future, it would be a horror game called Getting Coffee. Oh no. Okay. So, how do I unpause? Well, I guess it would be just play. I don't know. Did I make this model? Not this one in particular. I think the game would be 3D, first person, low poly. Oh, 3D is not the way to go if you want to try making games for the first time. I recommend that you start with a 2D game or even text-based. If you start with a text-based game, you get to learn the concepts of your programming language of choice. Alright, so let's test this out. Nothing, and haha, haha, haha. Pixel? Yeah, you could have pixel. But I would recommend doing text-based games so you can understand the concepts of computer programming in general. And then you do 2D, and then you do 3D low poly. But don't just start with you know, don't just start with 3D. You're gonna get overwhelmed. But also, thank you. This is not my assets. These are assets of. I was supposed to be lifting that. I was supposed to be lifting that. What happened? I don't know what happened with that, but we're gonna have to look. I was supposed to be lifting. Where am I lifting? Where's the lifting animation? What if we do a game like Henry Stickman? Ooh. I think, well, I'm not sure what Henry Stickman is. I cannot say for certain whether or not that's a good choice for your first game. You could do something like a visual novel though. That can help you a little bit. At least when it comes to variables, if statements, that sort of thing. Henry Stickmin is a clicking game when you make choices. Yeah, that sounds easy enough, I think. But I still recommend text-based games to start with, so that way you don't have to worry about 2D creation stuff. See, I'm supposed to be lifting that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I know what's wrong. Let me add a pausing. Pause. Add. Joypad buttons. This one. And then maybe spacebar? No. P. P for pause. There we go. And then we go to let's try that. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I can pause it. No, it's work. It's a working timer. So, I'll have to edit the enemies with that. This button doesn't work and doesn't do anything. Close it. No. Now, when the timer ends, I will be taking a 5-minute break, and then we can chat about things. Let's see. There we go. Wait a minute. To contact you more, but unfortunately your phone is low charge. You have to go. Alright. Stay safe. Have a very good rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Okay. Next. On timeout. If get. Wait. Can I just say global pause equals true equals false, just do that? Let's try it. Let's find an enemy. Come on, enemy. Over here. Over here. Wait a minute. Actually, no. We don't have to do it there. But we do need to take a break. Take a breather. I'll do an ad break. And then we can chat or something. I don't know. I have a just chatting. I do have a just chatting. Alrighty then. Oh my goodness. Why am I so... I don't know. Let's fix that. I can fix it. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Oh, no, not like that. Ah. No. Ah! No. I don't know anymore. Woo! Can I please? Can I please? Ah! Oh well. Man. Anyway, I should probably shelf my model now. This is a model that my younger sister made for me. Oh, that's rotating. I got to choose. Oh. Oh. I like how there's a little bit of the blue. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't worry about it. How do I? All-time AccuWorlds. AccuWorlds take 13 years. So you're the only one playing it from your friend group nowadays? Huh. Oh my goodness. First time seeing the 3D model? Thank you! My younger sister made it for me. Just taking a bit of a breather here. Showing off model a bit. Also, I have some news. And it's pretty cool. I got some pretty cool news to tell you. So, I figured out a little bit about programming in Furcon 32. The pet dragon. He's seen some things. Don't worry about it. The way that my dragon pet changes is through Twitch, and someone bred the dragon and now it looks like it's seen some things. Thank you, Edkablasa! Hope you're doing well today. Anyway, the question of the day is, what's your favorite type of multiplayer? Couch co-op? Do you like online multiplayer? Do you like some other third thing? Am I the only one that misses download play? I miss download play. I miss download play from the DS and 3DS era. I used to play games like Dokapon Journey on the DS with my 3DS download play, and it was so much fun. Sure, the MMORPG, ooh, online PvP. That seems like something. What in the world? What in the world? Camera. I don't have my. Here I have my thing up, but no. What in the world? I miss download play. What in the world? Nah. I think my camera's glitching. I'm not doing anything with my hands right now. Alright. Back to work. We gotta get back to work, chat. Where is it? Game dev. Oh, no. Wait. I can't go back to work yet. Oh. Meh. Ah. What in the world? Ah. Look. Bah. Okay. Back to work. I do like MMOs, but it just depends on the MMO. And side scroll. Oh. Hey, Ice King, why'd you steal our garbage? I think I've heard of an Adventure Time game on 3DS, but I didn't know what it was. Let's see if... Let's see. Else. Okay, so let us try this. Alright, let's find a guy. Okay, I need to add sound effects or something. Or maybe, or even a pause. I think a pause would help. Would help with polish. Have I tried RPG Maker before? I have RPG Maker, but I haven't used it before. I am so used to my Godot is my default, and if I use anything else, it's for some other reason entirely. I'm not even sure if RPG Maker can export to Linux, for example. Let's see. I actually kind of wonder if I should put the pause in globe. No. Let's see. If pause equals true, well, I'm gonna have to add a thing. I think I need to. Well, I definitely need to adjust the health system. But for now, I will do that. And then add a text edit. Rich text label. Rich text label will be themed this load? This one. Pause. It's called Godot. It is a free and open source 2D and 3D engine. And it uses its own scripting language called GDScript. But you can program with C#. It's a bit complicated to use C#. I'm not exactly sure how to implement C# into programming. But I do love I do love GDScript. I feel like it's easy and it's very Python-like. Paused. Just paused. Let's see. Paused. When we get to the cave, control should be on. Let's see. Let's do thank you for the follow, Fountain Waters!
Fontanian Waters just followed.
Fontanian. So now you're a resident of both Fontania and the Dragonlands. Hello, hello! Oh goodness gracious, I need to drink water! Fontaine. Oh! I did not recognize that because I don't play Genshin Impact. Goodness gracious. That's okay. For some reason I thought it was Fontania and it was something that you've like that's part of your VTuber lore or something like that. Okay, then if I go to Overworld, what I can do is I can do global.control.visible or no. Dot show control. Let's make it a function to make it easier on me. It's a map in Genshin. Yeah, I don't play Genshin. I haven't played a gacha game in I don't know, forever. Okay, that should work. That should work. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Global dot show control. All right. So let's go to cave. Ah, it doesn't work. I'm not sure what's going on here then. Let's see. What if I did that for now? Nope. What in the world? Let's see. I have an idea. What if we did something like that? Else. Equals false. There we go. Well, I mean, hold on. How about instead? Control dot pause. No. Slash pause. Dot physical equals paused. That should work. At least when it comes to this right here. Okay. So that means that when we go to overworld, we should be able to do that. Right? Eh? What? What's going on? Oh, that's weird. Oh my goodness gracious! Why does it do that? One is... I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Do I need to... Oh, wait a minute. How about that? I don't know. Is that texture pre-built? What do you mean? All of the assets that I'm using are from opengameart.org. I should probably put that in the chat. Hold on, let me find them. I feel like I should put them in the description of the YouTube, but I don't. Hold on. Let me find them real quick. So, Faune is there's this one, and then there's another one, wherever it is. There's this one too, that I'm also using. For certain things. For certain things. But yeah, these assets are what I'm using. Let's see. Let's try it again. See, that's what should happen. But it's not what's happening. So I don't know what's going on. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, at least this works. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna use this one. This open source. I'm not sure. I typically don't open source my stuff, but I mean, I will put in to wait a minute. What if I did it here? Show control. Instead of here. If I was to do that, I would have to like put the source code on GitHub and stuff and have people contribute, but I'm not sure if I want to work on an open source project quite yet. Maybe what? I feel like having an open source project is going to be a long ways away, and would probably be something like a 3D or voxel based fantasy console, because there isn't one out there yet. That would be so cool to make a voxel based fantasy console in like C++ or something, but I don't know how to do that quite yet. I feel like that's beyond my comprehension of engines. Oh no! Oh no! That's not good. I have an idea. If it's not like that, then how about save branch as seen. Control.
Sozaino just followed.
Hi! Hi, Button! Hello! Thank you for the follow! Control.tscn. That'll work, I think. Now. Let's see. I feel like I'm doing what I did not want to do today, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's see. I need control.tscn. Holy beans! For all the time I've spent lurking at YouTube streams, I never looked over on Twitch where I spend most of my time. Hello, Button. You'd like to create a pixel horror game? Ooh. For that, a common one would be RPG Maker. Let's see. We'll toggle visibility. We'll just keep it on. Then we'll delete that. I don't think I have anything else for control stuff. We'll get rid of that right here. Lovely to catch you doing. and always enjoy seeing folks Godowing versus Vercon 32-wing. Eventually I'll want to do that, but not quite yet. I need to learn C. I need to learn C before I start Vercon 32-wing. What in the world? No! I wanted to save this. Blah! Okay. Alright, so. Control. / paused. Equals. Get. Node. Wait, no. Global.paused. Woo! Your father programs in C++. You tried programming back in middle school, wasn't a fan. Fair enough. Fair enough. Vercon 32 does not use C++ though, it uses C. What does that mean? Oh. Visible. There we go. What if I put it in camera 2D? What if that happened? Oh, nah! Ah! Oh man, but you know, you could always try some other stuff for funsies outside of the C family and its many friends, like Java. I've done a little bit of Java. Oh no. No! 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 No, no, no! Oh, that's terrible! Ooh. Gross! Let's see. 2D. What's this? You could go wild and code something in a mutant conglomeration of Perl and AutoHotkey just to prove you're crazy. Oh no! You might as well tell me you could code in binary. No! 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 Oh, that's gross. That's gross. That's gross. That's gross. Ew. Disgusting. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's gross. Ah, ha, ha. I forgot how to use heads-up display. Gross. Ah. Okay. No, you mostly code in C# and wrangle data in SQL, but Python for funsies and PowerShell for helping admins and engineers at work. Ah. C#. Godot uses C#. You can use you can code in C# here in Godot. You don't have to use Unity because ew, Unity. This is nuts. Prevent pre-roll ads. Unity truly is the worst. It's the worst. Okay. Thank you for the follow.
Nexon just followed.
You're brave enough to say hello this time. Hello, hello. Ad break. Ad break, I'm sorry. Man. I am so confuzzled. Confuzzled, I tell you. Hold on, ad break is almost over. Alright. Surprise, surprise! Welcome back! Alright. Ad break is over. So therefore, let's keep going. Go bup on the keyboard. Hydrate. Hydrate. Fine. We are so back. We are so back, you guys! I switch to your tablet PC. Water. How's the game, Dev? I am confuzzled. Which is not new. Gotta water the dragon. Yes. Always water your dragons. They need they need soil, and they need water, and they need sunshine to make their own bread. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Here's what I'm confuzzled about. Okay, that was weird. That was weird. But anyway, what game genre do I prefer? I prefer... I'm not sure. I'm not sure what genre I prefer. I don't know what happened. But anyway, welcome back. That was kind of weird. I don't know what game genre I prefer. Probably top-down action-adventure when it comes to programming the game, though. I feel like I need to look at one of my other games. I'm ready to figure this out. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. But I don't know if I have any other. But you know what? Let's try something. Let's do this. But we are going to... I'm going to save branch as scene. But then we're also going to add a script to the scene. You like, I do love calm and wholesome farming games when it comes to what I like to play. Open scripts. I think that'll be all for that. Then I don't know. Oh, hi, Zoom. Function, process, delta, float. Equals global dot pause. You don't remember, Gwen? Are you serious? Okay, next. What's this? What's that mean? Oh, oh, I see. Never mind. So now we get to do that. So what I'm thinking is I might have to that. There's a demo of a horror fan simulator on stream in Steam. Oh my goodness, I don't think I want to do that. Also, I'm gonna snooze. Gonna snooze the things. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Camera. And then when I go to say the overworld, what I will do is I will add the camera object to I think that's what we'll do. And then no. No. Slash camera 2D. There we go. Okay. if it was this? I don't know. I don't know! Okay. Let's try that. You gotta go? Okay. Ooh. No. Stay safe, have a very good rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. I'm gonna make some fake games tomorrow. Nah. I'm gonna make some fake games tomorrow. Dr. Jaw, the Dragon, the Black and White Monster Farm. Ooh. Got busy drawing on the fan art. Ooh. Wait. Sorry, I haven't looked at chat in a bit. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it started your fan art. What in the world is going on with this? I'll have to figure it out. Probably next week. Thinking of. Let's see. Is it meant to be in global? I forget. All right. The newest dragon is straight up like from analog horror and you like it? What? Ah! Let me look at a different game real quick. Sorry, I did not accept that. Sorry. I'm very, very strict about that. I'm sorry. Family friendly, please! Let's see. Hold on. Get rid of books for now. Let me quit the project list. Gotta AFK real quick. What in the world? That is not what I was expecting at all from that. Okay. Nope. I think I need to find some of my old games. I think I need to find some of my old games, but it's okay. It's fine. Also, what in the world? Okay. I think those are all in the cave thing. I don't know. Oh, time for a break. Time for an ad break and stuff. Alrighty then. Hold on, I need to mute. Okay, I think that was it. I hear people. That's all. I'm not gonna try looking up something. Oh, I still hear people. I'm sorry. Okay, I think that's it. I think I don't hear anybody now. Alright. Man. Okay. But I think I know what the problem was. I think I know how to solve it. Also. Okay. You need to stay put. Please. I want to be able to have you guys look at the keyboard too. Don't worry, it's just a break. Hydrate. So, how was everyone's week? Hope everyone had a very good week. And that you are, you know, gonna have a very good weekend. If you have any weekend plans, then yeah, that'd be awesome. I have stream ideas. If you guys don't mind me talking about, I'm thinking of doing a June 5th Super Tux card stream. I think that'd be fun, but that would depend on what is going on that day. It would probably be in like a 4 o'clock in the afternoon my time kind of stream. And right now my time is 11:43 a.m. So it's a good week. But I think what would be fun is if a bunch of viewers were able to get their own Super Tux card account. You know what? You know what? Even if I don't, I think it would be cool if you guys made an account anyway for Super Tux card. Let me do that real quick. Let me link ya. Let me link you guys. Is it dawn? It's the morning. So, what I want you guys to do is get on there, download the game on the platform of your choosing, and then make an account. That way you could play online, and then we could play online together. Because I think that'd be cool. Not sponsored, by the way. I'm not sponsored by any free and open source software. That would be a bit ridiculous, but I would still like for you guys to try it out. Try out the game for yourself. Maybe go through the story mode. Maybe unlock some carts. I don't know. Carts? No, not carts. Maps. And then we could all get together in a server and just have them, and then just goof off in a free and open source cards game. I think that'd be fun. I think that'd be a lot of fun. But that's just my opinion. Anyway, let me go back to game dev because it is that time again. We'll do one more round of work and then I'll see how I feel. Alright? Alright. I'll see if I run out of water. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're going to change type to canvas layer. Ooh, yeah, there we go. I think. Hold on. There we go, canvas layer. Here we go. I think that should work. So let's try it with Faune. It's not just a free Mario Kart. It's a free and open source Mario Kart. Okay, so it works there. Wait, did you guys see that? No, you guys did not. Okay. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. We'll try it here. What happened? What happened? Sets cam limits. Oh, oof. No. No. Let's see. Why is it 2D2? Blah. Okay. Downloaded it on Android. Yes. Yeah. The most portable version. I kind of wonder if it will work with crossplay. But anyway, make an account. Make an account. That's our next thing. Oh, by the way, Android versus Apple. Android all the way. Android has more free and open source software available for it, and it's much easier to develop for, and it's also cheaper. I did it! I fixed it! I fixed it! Oh, but that's not gonna work. Let's see. Let's go back to global. And then what we'll do, we will do that. There we go. Oh, let's go. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. So, now that we did that, one thing I kind of want to do is, hold on. Let's go back to the camera. Okay. Left top, right bottom. Okay. Left top, right bottom. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. I kind of want to add a second player. I remember why you don't have a driver's license while playing this. Okay. Ah, it's the parameters I told the program to ignore. Okay. Next, I probably don't need that anymore. I have an idea. 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 Switch players. Or maybe switch characters? Nah. Oh, I can. I think I will start doing a new character. He will be a character body. And he will be, you think at racing games. Get good! No, I'm just kidding. I'm not good at racing games either. But I can at least get, like, good at novice. Alright. Next is collision shape. And animated sprites. We'll make animated sprites first. Animated sprites. New sprite frames. Add animation. Oh wait. We'll start with walk down. Walk left. Walk right. And walk up. And then we'll have to make some attack. The blue bird always lifting you. Attack up. Attack down. Attack left. And attack right. Next is when we make the animations. I think they might be in images. Ah, don't worry about those. From Zelda-like character. Let's zoom in. But we're gonna have to start with attack down. Looks like. See, those are good for walking, so we'll do walk first. Nah. Auto slice. No, no auto slicing. No. Let's see. Oh, he can lift too? What in the world? Nah, it's fine. Let's give each character their own abilities. That's what I think I should do. Because I don't think Legend of Faune has any attack. So if I wanted to do some sort of attacking, you know. Oh, no, no, not that one. Not that one. Player. Yeah, if you look over here, over on the left, you see that you've got pushing, you've got fainting, you've got running, you've got walking, and lifting. So there isn't any sort of, you know, there was no, there there's no attacking. So I think I'll leave the attacking to the other character. And then, you know. Now we can attack. I want to scroll, but I cannot scroll. Let's see, I'm doing attack up. Attack right. It's fine. Attack right. Attack down. Then for attack, let's see. For attack left, I'll have to change the splicing. Just a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Or maybe I could do lifting and have there be... Nah. Not yet. Maybe if I wanted it to have like a multiplayer. Darn it me, I keep increasing my scope. Up. No, not left up. Lift. Lift. First, get a jar. No, wait. Lift. Down. Not that! This shouldn't take too long. Left. Left. Maybe there could be like a specific story mode or maybe some missions, caves, dungeons for the for multiplayer purposes. Lift down, lift left, lift up, lift right. My ear. Ah. Let's do it. Wait. I also need a left walk. Let's walk down. Let's walk left. Let's walk right. Okay, so we're gonna lift first. I think that's gonna work. Oh yeah, that'll work. Let's yeah. Daily mission! Pick 100 blue herbs for 1 full mana potion. Is there gonna be a mana system? I don't think there's going to be a mana system because there is no mana related stuff. That would be cool to have a sword that can be used as a laser for the mana system. Let's see. Let's walk down. Let's walk. So it's gonna be an action point then. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Stop it. Stop it. It's like none. Please. Let's walk left. Let's walk right. Stop it! Then let's walk up. Stop it! There. Just in case I wanted to do something with something like, I don't know, similar to Pikmin 3. I don't know. I think it's with Pikmin 3 that had those special missions for multiplayer. So alright, so now that that's done, let's create a collision shape. It will be a rectangle. I'll have it set to, in particular, that, I think. Save it as, I don't even know what this guy's name is. I guess player 2? I don't even know. I haven't even thought of anything related to story yet. by the way, do you know? What? No, I do not. I have no idea what they are. I've never heard of it. I'm getting hungry. I think after this work session, I'll probably end stream. So I should probably get some more work. Whoa! Close. That's. Oh no! Oh no! What is going on with? This card. Do I have a? Okay then. Goodness gracious. Function. Process. It does float. Wait a minute. R-E-A-B-Y. There we go. Oh. This is so that way it could, bleh. Oh no! Ad break time! There the Horks slain the girl's family. Then a necromancer tried to avenge the girl's family. Wah! Wah! Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I need to. My left shoulder is kind of. I think it's better now. I don't know. I think I need to like massage my shoulder or something like that. I don't know. Is that really all I have for character body? Okay. Alright, so back to business. Let me look at. Okay, okay. Wow. Okay, okay. So, let's do. Let's do some bars. Let me grab some bars here. Now, eventually I'll want to add some sort of AI type of, well, I don't want to call it AI, but rather, I want to be able to have one follow the other, but that won't be until later. I won't do that until another time. So, yeah. I would love to have a follow mechanic. I think I know how to do it, but I don't want to work on that right now. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to have pause equals true. No, global paused. Here we go. Maybe a bar playing. That way we can, you know, switch between. And then if input dot is action just pressed, switch characters, then playing equals dot playing. Well, no, playing equals false. So, okay. When I say AI, I think of the more classic AI when I do AI, which is more like how enemies, like I call them, they're also called CPU. Some people call them CPU. Hold on. Some would call them CPU, some would call them AI, but I think that AI is I think the problem is what we used to be associated with AI when it comes to video games is now something else entirely, and it's now generative AI, and generative AI is not, it's not good for coding or art or anything like that. You're not learning with it, essentially. think I'll add all of this into... Hello! Must be so hard to use a keyboard floating in the air. I know! I'm sorry, Dickman. I'm focusing. Focusing is hard. Thinking is hard. Let's see. Playing equals false. Also, there's a sudden burst of AI generated games in Steam. I hate it. Even the art looks very AI. I know! I hate it! I hate the trend. I hate this so-called trend. It's terrible. I understand years ago I was the dev on Twitch, but it was too hard to focus. Yeah, but I don't mind. I don't mind. Like, I guess it just depends on how many people are chatting. And of course, there's always the fact that I have Pummel. Got Pummel up here. Got my Pummeltroid right here, you know, so it'll help me with focus. But then when it's break time, everyone can chat. And they could be like, what are you doing? Alright. Save. Overworld. This is probably not gonna work. Wait. What I should probably do is add... Well, first off, we gotta add player 2. I should probably set this to player 2. Whatever. Whatever. And then add another camera 2D to the player 2. Objects. Camera. Let's see. Just double checking that. I should probably get rid of that though. Yes. Delete control node. And then let's do some overworld stuff. Player 2, camera 2D, that's set. Cam limits, we'll do the same here. And then, if Faune dot playing equals true, at least I think it would be playing. Yeah. We're only gonna check Faune.enable is true. And player 2 / camera 2D dots enable equals false. It's the camera carrier box. Yeah, but I'm adding to it. Ah no, false. I'm adding another player. It's gonna have some sort of teamwork. Let's see if this works. It probably won't, but I want to see. Oop, okay. Oh, I need a box sprite for... Okay. I need a box sprite for player 2. Let's see. Let's add a box sprite. Then, ooh. Gonna put it up here. It's not gonna be an MMORPG, it's just gonna be probably more couch co-op eventually. But I think for now it's going to be single player but with teamwork. Maybe one day maybe in the future I can add couch co-op. Wouldn't that be cool? Where is... Oh no! 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 Alright, player 2. Where are you? There you are. Whoop! Ah, player 2! Let's see. Why does he hide his ears? I don't know! Actually, he's lifting. He was trying to lift. That's the problem. But... can't skip. Okay. How about this? 500. To 400? I don't know. Oh gosh, no. Maybe he doesn't like my music. Maybe he doesn't like my music. Wait a minute. Where is Faune? 310, 155. Okay. How about this one could be 320? Right? 320. No. 350. How about that? They're both so different. Alright then. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy. I need to fix that. I need to fix that. Empty script file. What are you talking about? Oh well. Let's see. Player 2. Let me look at... Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. Let's try. false. By the way, congratulations on continuing in our project. Wait a minute. Yeah, I wanted to work on it some. I want to finish this first! Okay. How about this? Now I'll put these somewhere, but not quite yet. I don't think these need the false statements either. Okay. Let's try this again. Respect the countdown. Ah! But I don't want to respect the countdown. Nope. That's not gonna work. Oh well, I'll fix it another time. Don't worry, I promise I'll come back to this. Maybe next week. Wait. Wait. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'll have to figure it out later. But for now, I'm done. I'm done. I'm getting hungry, and I'm gonna have some leftover mac and cheese. Okay, so tomorrow's stream is going to be some fake games. I'm gonna use this model again. So we're gonna play some Game Dev Tycoon tomorrow. I think I'm gonna start a new playthrough. Yes. This is not to be confused with making real games for fake consoles. We're making fake games for fake consoles with Game Dev Tycoon. It's gonna be super chill, and we're gonna all figure out, I don't know, maybe some of you can learn the history of video games or something. I don't know. Fake games, fake consoles with Game Dev Tycoon. And then and like I said, not to be confused with real games for fake consoles like Pico 8. So yeah, that'll be tomorrow. Stay safe, have a very good rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Let me see if I can wave. That'll work. Nah, it's gonna be way worse than that. I'm just kidding.